Everything around me free.
Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Kayla. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Okay, so as y'all can see, we're getting into this sensational 613 blonde wig. It's like really cute. At first I was kind of scared to even try this color, but I was like, why not? Because I'm playing around. So yeah, I was like just having a good time, and then I just really shocked myself because I was like, oh, the color actually does look good on me, which I thought. But definitely I will say do not sleep in this wig because you will start to get some snags at the ends eventually. It's only been 3 days since I've been wearing this wig and I'm getting snags, but it does depend on how you take care of the wig. Also, I tried to make bangs and I used heat. Do not use any type of heat, well, not too much heat, like flat ironing and trying to get a curl. It's not gonna happen, baby. Do not do it. All right. If you are going to try to make a curl with it, wet the hair and then use some curlers. I do not know why I didn't think of that, but this wig was not complicated to work with at all. When plucking, you literally could snatch the hairs out of the wig, so if you are going to pluck, be very careful because you don't want to take a big chunk of the hair out. But other than that, the wig is bomb. I really hope y'all like this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all. Also, I'm sorry, I forgot to add this part. This is a middle part, not a side part wig, but what I did was I moved it to the side, so it is not going to lay all the way down on that side where I put it. So that's why I did not put glue all the way over there. So yeah.
Until my well runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, to rock right up to the side of my mountain. until